Now let's try and understand about the branches of the legal system in the country. There are two, the criminal branch and the civil branch. The criminal branch deals with cases leading to theft, dowry debts, harassing a woman, murder, etc. Whereas civil are those cases which deal with sale and purchase of land and the tenant and the landlord dispute, etc. Now the criminal cases have to be first of all they have to go to the local police station, and the first information report, that is the FIR, has to be lodged. Whereas in civil cases, the petition has to be filed in the court by the affected party. In the criminal cases, the accused can be jailed or fined or both of them. Whereas in the civil cases, generally relief is given. For example, if the tenant has not paid his rent to the landlord, then the court orders the tenant to pay the rent to the landlord. So that was the difference between the criminal and the civil cases. Now, it is always said that all of us have access to the court. It is said that the Indian judiciary is independent, courts protect our fundamental rights, and whenever there is an encroachment, we can immediately go and knock the doors of the court. But do we really have access to the courts? For this, you have to understand that going to the court involves lot of money and lot of paperwork and lot of time, of course. So, a person who is a daily wage earner and who is illiterate, who doesn't have time to go to the court because he has to earn for his bread, what is the use of the courts? Because he doesn't have the required kind of money to go to the court, he doesn't have the energy to go through the paperwork, or maybe he doesn't know how to read or write, and where is the time on earth? And the legal proceedings in India take years and years. Therefore, we actually do not have access to the courts. And for this, various things have come up, like the public interest litigation, which I will be talking about in the next clipping.